Hi, I'm Nick. I'm one of the design managers here in CRE8. I would like to give you a brief background about one of the projects we worked on for Corsair, a leading company for PC gaming hardware. The project was nicknamed Godzilla, commonly known as the Obsidian 900D, the flagship enthusiast gaming PC case for Corsair. The design process was an extremely challenging one, especially when it came to surpassing that of its predecessor, the Obsidian 800D, and creating a new flagship image. We needed a design solution that would embrace and bear testimony to all that was great about the Obsidian 800D, but also to show off evolutionary features. The key inherent attributes from the design ethos of the Obsidian series are 1. The monolithic look, 2. The steadfast presence, 3. Full and easy accessibility. These key elements can be clearly seen on the Obsidian 900D, the die-casted aluminum frames upon which the entire chassis of the case is mounted are beautifully finished, yet the feel of the rawness of the materials used are still very apparent. Stealthy air intakes are cleverly disguised under the frames, and the neatly finished front panel plates made from a single piece of aluminum. The ODD and control panel covers are designed to complement the minimalistic look, all brushed metal to give a high-end feel to the product. Power button, on the other hand, is again clean and simple and well integrated into the overall design of the front panel. Accessibility is a breeze with this product. The case was designed with 2 side openings on each side of the product, a large opening for an extensive setup and maintenance, and a smaller opening that allows for quick access for swappable HDD drives, for instance. The case is designed to house a simple modular HDD cages, which allows for different configurations, and the user can move these around or completely take out cages, leaving only what is needed. The 900D, as the flagship product, is proved to be what Corsair has come to stand for and produce. It's simply an elegant tool and a far cry from a toy. Great design embody these attributes to design a product that needs no further elaborations. For at the very first glance, the story is already known. Thank you very much for listening.